Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking smoothies. Not just any smoothies, but 6 nutritious recipes you can make in a day. These smoothies are packed with good stuff. Vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, you name it. Think of it this way, y'all. It's like a salad in a glass, but way more fun to eat. Plus, smoothies are a great way to sneak in those fruits and veggies you know you need. We're gonna whip up some amazing flavors today, from berry bliss to tropical temptation. So are you ready to join me on this smoothie adventure? Let's get blended. Now, before we jump into the recipes, let's talk about why smoothies are so great. Life can get busy, right? It's easy to reach for processed foods or skip meals altogether, but with smoothies, you can pack a whole lot of nutrition into one quick and easy drink. They're perfect for breakfast on the go, a midday pick-me-up, or even a healthy dessert. Plus, they're super customizable. Don't like bananas? Swap them out for mango. Want more protein? Add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. We're talking increased energy, a stronger immune system, and even help with weight management. So, ditch those sugary drinks and join me in the wonderful world of smoothies. Now let's get to the good part, the recipes. Y'all, we've all been there. It's a Wednesday night, you're dead tired, and the thought of cooking a healthy meal is about as appealing as a poke in the eye. Between work, family, and trying to have some semblance of a social life, who has time to chop veggies and measure out ingredients? And that's before we even get started on the temptation of fast food and sugary snacks calling our names from every corner. We want to eat healthy, we really do, but life gets in the way. But here's the thing, folks. It doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing situation. There's a way to have our cake and eat it too, and it comes in the form of a smoothie. That's right, y'all. Smoothies are here to save the day. Think of them as your secret weapon in the fight for a healthier lifestyle. They're quick, they're easy, and they can be packed with just as much nutrition as a full meal. No more excuses about not having time to eat right. With a smoothie, you can literally toss a handful of ingredients into a blender, give it a whirl, and boom! You've got yourself a delicious and nutritious meal in minutes. No cooking, no fuss, just pure, wholesome goodness. And the best part? Smoothies are incredibly versatile. Don't like kale? No problem. Swap it out for spinach or romaine lettuce. You can customize your smoothies to your heart's content, making sure you're getting all the nutrients you need without sacrificing on flavor. Now, let's talk about convenience. In today's fast-paced world, who has time to spend hours in the kitchen? We're all looking for ways to simplify our lives, and smoothies are the answer. Instead of skipping your most important meal of the day, you grab your pre-prepped smoothie ingredients from the fridge, blend them up, and you're out the door with a nutritious meal in hand. No dishes, no mess, just a quick and easy way to fuel your body and start your day off right. And it's not just for breakfast, y'all. Smoothies make a great post-workout snack, a healthy dessert, or even a light lunch on the go. Now, let's dive right into our first smoothie sensation, the Berry Bliss. This one's a classic for a reason, folks. It's packed with antioxidants from those beautiful berries, fiber from the spinach, and a little boost of omega-3s from the chia seeds. To whip up this beauty, you'll need a cup of frozen mixed berries. I like to use a mix of strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Then, we're gonna add a handful of fresh spinach. Don't worry, you won't even taste it. Next up, a tablespoon of chia seeds for some extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. And to top it off, we're gonna add a cup of your favorite milk or yogurt. I like to use unsweetened almond milk for a creamy texture. Just toss everything into your trusty blender, give it a good whirl until it's nice and smooth, and there you have it, the Berry Bliss, ready to brighten your day and give you that extra pep in your step. Now, let's transport ourselves to a tropical paradise with our next smoothie creation, the Tropical Temptation. This one's like a vacation in a glass, y'all, with the sweet tang of pineapple, the creamy goodness of coconut milk, and a hint of warmth from the turmeric. We're gonna start with a cup of frozen pineapple chunks. Then, we're gonna add half a cup of coconut milk. This gives the smoothie a rich, creamy texture and a subtle coconut flavor. Now, for a little anti-inflammatory boost, we're gonna add a teaspoon of ground turmeric. And to finish it off, a squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten up the flavors and add a touch of tanginess. Blend it all up until it's smooth and creamy, and get ready to be swept away to a tropical paradise with every sip. This smoothie is perfect for those days when you need a little pick-me-up or just want to feel like you're on vacation, even if it's just for a few minutes. All right, folks, now it's time to embrace our inner green goddess with our next smoothie recipe. This one's packed with leafy greens, healthy fats, and just a touch of sweetness to satisfy your taste buds. We're going to start with half an avocado. This creamy fruit is packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. Then we're going to add a ripe banana for natural sweetness and a boost of potassium. Next up, a handful of fresh spinach. I like to use baby spinach for this recipe because it has a milder flavor. And to top it off, a cup of unsweetened almond milk. You can use any type of milk you prefer. Blend everything together until it's completely smooth, and prepare to be amazed by the creamy, delicious flavor of this nutrient-packed green smoothie. It's the perfect way to start your day, fuel your workout, or simply enjoy a healthy and refreshing snack. Don't let the green color fool you. This smoothie is downright delicious. It's a great way to get your greens in without even noticing. Now, for those of you who like a little kick in your smoothie, let's spice things up with the spicy pineapple surprise. This one's a real treat for your taste buds with the sweetness of pineapple, the creaminess of coconut water, and a hint of heat from the cayenne pepper. We're going to start with a cup of frozen pineapple chunks. Then we're going to add a cup of coconut water. This is a naturally hydrating and electrolyte-rich beverage. Now for that spicy kick, we're going to add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Don't worry, you can adjust the amount to your liking. And to balance out the sweetness and the spice, a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Blend everything until it's smooth and creamy, and get ready for a taste sensation that'll tantalize your taste buds. This smoothie is perfect for those who like their drinks with a little bit of an edge. It's a refreshing and invigorating way to start your day or recharge after a workout. Trust me, y'all, this one's a game changer. All right, y'all, let's shift gears and talk about a smoothie that's smooth, sweet, and oh so satisfying, the Peachy Keen Powerhouse. This one's a real winner, folks, especially if you're looking for a smoothie that tastes like a dessert but is packed with good-for-you ingredients. We're gonna kick things off with a cup of frozen peaches. I love using frozen fruit in my smoothies because it gives them that thick, icy texture. Now, for a boost of protein and that signature tang, we're gonna add half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. To sweeten things up naturally, we're gonna add a tablespoon of honey. You can adjust the amount to your liking. And to finish it off, a splash of almond milk or milk of your choice, just to thin it out to your desired consistency. Blend it all up until it's smooth and creamy, and get ready to indulge in a smoothie that's as delicious as it is nutritious. This one's a real crowd pleaser, folks, and it's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a healthy dessert. It's like a peachy dream come true in a glass. Now, for all you coffee lovers out there, I've got a special treat for you, the Mocha Madness Smoothie. This one's for those mornings when you need a little something to jumpstart your day, but you still want to nourish your body with good stuff. We're going to start with a cup of cold brew coffee. You can use regular brewed coffee if you prefer. Next up, we're going to add a frozen banana for natural sweetness, creaminess, and a boost of potassium. For that signature mocha flavor, we're going to add a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. And to make it extra creamy and indulgent, we're going to add a quarter cup of almond milk or milk of your choice. Blend it all up until it's smooth, frothy, and absolutely irresistible. This smoothie is like your favorite coffee shop drink, but way healthier and more affordable. Plus, it's packed with protein and nutrients to keep you going all morning long. It's the perfect blend of coffee and smoothie goodness. Now, one of the things I love most about smoothies is how versatile they are. You can literally throw in whatever fruits, veggies, and other healthy ingredients you have on hand and create your own unique flavor combinations. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen, y'all. Take the spicy pineapple surprise, for example. Who would have thought that pineapple and cayenne pepper would go so well together? And then there's the Mocha Madness. Coffee and banana? It sounds kind of strange at first, but the flavors blend together beautifully. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor profiles. Sweet and tart, creamy and tangy, spicy and refreshing. You might just discover your new favorite smoothie combination. Now, let's talk about customization. One of the best things about smoothies is how easy they are to tailor to your own individual tastes and dietary needs. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or just watching your sugar intake, there's a smoothie out there for everyone. Let's say you're vegan, no problem. Simply swap out the regular yogurt in the Peachy Keen Powerhouse for a plant-based alternative. If you're gluten-free, just make sure to double-check your ingredient labels. And if you're watching your sugar intake, you can easily reduce the amount of fruit in your smoothies or opt for lower sugar options like berries. And don't forget about all the fun add-ins. You can boost the protein content of your smoothies with a scoop of protein powder or add a boost of healthy fats and fiber with chia seeds. The possibilities are endless, y'all. Now, y'all know I love talking about flavor, but let's not forget about the nutritional powerhouses we're packing into these smoothies. We ain't just talking about tasty treats here, folks. These drinks are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Take that Peachy Keen Powerhouse, for instance. Peaches are a good source of vitamin C and fiber. And Greek yogurt? It's practically a superstar, packing in protein, calcium, and probiotics. And don't even get me started on the mocha madness. We've got antioxidants from the coffee, potassium from the banana, and a touch of magnesium from the cocoa powder. The best part is that when you blend these ingredients together, you're making it easier for your body to absorb all those nutrients. It's like giving your cells a VIP pass to a nutrient-packed party. So let's keep blending and fueling our bodies with the good stuff. Now, I know what some of y'all might be thinking. Jamie, this all sounds great, but I'm busy. I don't have time to be whipping up fancy smoothies every day. And you know what? I hear you. But that's the beauty of smoothies, folks. They're incredibly adaptable to your lifestyle. Short on time in the mornings? No problem. Prep your smoothie ingredients the night before and store them in a reusable bag or container in the fridge. Then, all you gotta do in the morning is toss everything into the blender, give it a whirl, and you're good to go. Don't have a fancy high-powered blender? No worries. You can still make delicious and nutritious smoothies with a regular blender. Just make sure to chop your ingredients into smaller pieces and blend for a little longer to ensure everything is nice and smooth. And for those of you who like to plan ahead, you can even double or triple your smoothie recipes and store the leftovers in the fridge for up to 2 days. Just give them a good shake or stir before enjoying. Well, folks, there you have it. 6 incredible smoothie recipes to nourish your body and tantalize your taste buds. We've covered everything from fruity and refreshing to creamy and indulgent, with a little something for everyone. But more than just recipes, I hope I've inspired y'all to embrace the power of smoothies in your own lives. These drinks are so much more than just a trend, folks. They're a delicious and convenient way to fuel your body with the good stuff it needs to thrive. So ditch the sugary drinks, embrace the blender, and join me in the smoothie revolution. Your body will thank you for it. Now, I want to hear from y'all. What are your favorite smoothie combinations? Share your tips, tricks, and recipe ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and lifestyle tips. Until next time, y'all stay healthy and happy blendin'. Well, folks, we've reached the end of our smoothie journey today, and I gotta say, I'm feeling mighty fine. We've covered a whole lot of ground, from the importance of a healthy diet to the endless possibilities of smoothie creation. But most importantly, I hope you've seen just how easy and delicious it can be to nourish your body from the inside out. Remember, these 6 smoothie recipes are just the beginning, y'all. Think of them as a springboard for your own smoothie adventures. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients, flavor combinations, and add-ins to create your own signature blends. The key is to find what works best for you, your taste buds, and your lifestyle. Whether you're a smoothie newbie or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to discover in the world of blend-in. So, go forth and blend your way to a healthier, happier you. And remember, life's too short for boring smoothies. So have fun with it and enjoy the ride. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, please click the links below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Looking to dive deeper into your wellness journey? Check out our curated playlist for more valuable tips and insights. Click the link below to watch more videos and stay on track with Pure Health Journey. Your support means the world and helps us keep creating the content you love. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Until next time, y'all stay healthy and keep on blendin'.